a dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The headlines: Court nullifies Edo PDP governorship primary election. Now Edo PDP, they say, RI0US remains their governorship candidate. My people, don't be small matter. Moving on after this, we have Senator Monday Okpofolo vows to tackle insecurity and poverty in Edo State if elected as governor in Edo State. So my people, before I go carry the matter, come give una go like welcome una to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. So if today is your first time to join this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe and share. But don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified so that anytime our news drop, that you go be the first to watch. And my people, don't be small matter, they happen ever since this governorship election campaign started. But make una calm down, I go the updates now one after the other as the news they come our way. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So guys, let's dive into the main gist. The election conducted on February 22, 2024 was voided on the ground that 378 delegates who were supposed to vote at the primary election were unlawfully excluded by PDP. So Justice Eko nullified the primary election while delivering judgment in a suit instituted by the aggrieved delegates. So the suit was instituted by one Kevin Mohammed in a representative capacity. So Justice Eko held that both the provision of the Electoral Act 2022 and the PDP guidelines were violated in the conduct of the primary election at the Samuel Gbemudia Stadium in Benin City, the Edo State capital. So Justice Eko, who said that exhibit PDP-1 tendered by the party was bereft of evidence, and he heard that the plaintiff, through the exhibits tendered, were able to establish their case against the defendant. So now, my people, the judge they try to tell us, say, from the exhibits that PDP presented, he found out that the returning officer who prepared the result sheet only sat down in a place to manufacture the outcome of the poll. Not only that, he then said that the exclusion of the 381 delegates, including the plaintiff, was against the provision of the law. So Justice Eko heard that through the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, that the first defendant filed a memorandum of appearance in the suit. So it was unfortunate that the commission did not file any process in the case. So according to what the judge talk, he said that the first defendant counsel only said it would be bound by the decision of the court. So he found out that the case of the plaintiff succeed on merit. Like play, the three aggrieved ad hoc delegates on behalf of the 378 others sued INEC, the PDP, and their national secretary, and the vice chairman South as the first to fourth defendant respectively. So in the suit, the plaintiff sought two orders. This include an order for the defendant or their agents not to act but show cause why the relief of the plaintiff in their originating summon should not be granted concerning the plan of the second, third, and fourth defendant to exclude them and 378 other delegates whose names and election results are contained in exhibits A1 to AL from participating in the primaries of February 22 in Edo State. So this plaintiff, which include Kevin Mohammed, Gabriel Okundua, and Osage, on behalf of others in 12 local government areas and 127 words, have heard that it would be in the interest of justice for their relief to be granted. So the 381 delegates are those loyal to Philip Shaibu, the impeached deputy governor. Hey. So that my people, PDP don't come react to that court matter. Right from time they rejected the verdicts, they insisted that RI0US is their candidate for the September poll. Now they want to make it clear to everyone. They want it to be on record that the candidature of Dr. RI0US as the flag bearer of the party for the 2024 election remained intact, and that the judgment of the Federal High Court in Abuja did not in any way affect their candidate, Dr. RI0US. Even the PDP chairman in Edo State, Tony Ezegbami, don't come out and talk the same thing. So Tony Ezegbami said that they urge all their teaming loyal supporters to remain calm and resolute, as there is no cause for alarm, because it's sure for them say RI0US is their candidate for this governorship election. So my people, I would like to know what I think about this matter in the comment section. I would like to hear from you now. Moving on to the next word. The governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Senator Monday Okpofolo, has pledged to make Edo State a comfortable place, promising that he will make checking insecurity and tackling poverty his priority areas if elected as governor. He pledged yesterday at the inauguration of the new media committee of the APC Campaign Council, where he said that the committee would help engage young people, students, young entrepreneurs, and all those who are active in various new media platforms. That with a safe environment, that people would be able to do their businesses and move around freely, which would go a long way in checking the problems of hardship and hunger. So according to Monday Obolo, he said that he have always been concerned with people's problem and their welfare. And if he had the opportunity to be the governor of this state, that he will ensure that every person living in Edo State enjoy the good things of life. And he also believed in the new media committee in his campaign to win the governorship election. And he appealed to all the members of the committee to do their best for his victory and APC victory on September 21st, so that the party manifesto will be implemented for the betterment of the Edo people. So on the part of his running mate, Honorable Dennis Idahosa, he called on the members of the committee to put up their best in the execution of their assignments, which he said that it was very important in the mobilization of Edo people to win the governorship election. So inaugurating the committee, the Director General of APC Campaign Council, Senator Matthew Rogide, said that since the coming of the new media has helped solve issues of awareness, because almost everybody is seeing the day-to-day happenings or events within their environment through the new media, but he urged them to be objective on their reports. He told them that there should be no falsehood in their reporting because they don't want to be dragged into unnecessary reports. Because with him as the Director General of the Campaign Council, that he will ensure that they are given all the necessary support and encouragement to carry out their assignment because they believe in their ability to promote their candidates. Senator Monday Ovolo, and they have to present him to the electorate as the best of all the candidates to win this election. So please, they should not fail them. Also, a chieftain of the party, Pastor Osagiezi Yamu, pointed out that the new media has transformed the world into a global village, just as it has played a vital role in mobilizing the populace, in taking vital decisions that benefit the majority, and charged the member of the committee to be responsible in the discharge of their duty. In a welcome address, the chairman of the committee, Osigwe Omoikirida, said the committee's focus will be on creating compelling content that resonates with the electorate, countering misinformation swiftly, and amplifying their party's achievements and vision. So they must engage with the youth, address their concern, and inspire them to join their cause, because their digital footprint should reflect their commitment to transparency, development, and the betterment of Edo State. So their theme is effective digital media strategy as a tool for a secure APC victory in Edo 2024. And that is going to resonate with their shared mission to harness the power of digital platform to secure a resounding victory in the upcoming election. My people, all these things will be say they write for their manifesto. If they emerge as governor, let them try and implement it. They should not fail the people of Edo State. Because this one where we say they come out and they talk, say they are going to emphasize that their campaign will be issue-based and they are going to focus on the real concern and aspiration of the people of Edo State. And they are going to be committed to a peaceful, fair, and democratic process. Yeah, my people, may we see how this election wants to play. Because this election no be do or die affair. It's an opportunity to present your vision for a brighter future of Edo State. And let the electorate decide on who is going to be the governor of Edo State. So my people, if you agree with me or you have any contrary opinion, kindly drop your comments in our comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned. We do appreciate.